In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the battery in your Acura 4-button key fob remote. First, slide over the tab in the front of the remote to remove the physical key. Next, use the physical key and wedge it at an angle between the plastic cover and the silver key ring. Give the key a swift twist to pry the two sides of the remote apart. Once the two halves are split, remove the old battery by lifting up on the side. These Acura key fobs use one CR 2032 button battery. You can find a link to the battery in the description below. Insert the new battery at an angle, then push down to secure in place. Next, match up the two covers and snap the pieces back in place. Now replace the physical key and you're all set. There you go, hope that was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.